The company is based in New York. The brand has been around for over 10 years. We're in the beauty industry for the best detangling brush that there is. My main product is the detangling brush. It is different and unique because of its IntelliFlex bristles. They actually bend as you are detangling the hair, so it doesn't pull on the knot, minimizing any damage. Nazih Group is the best partner in the beauty industry for our product. They specialize in elevating the brand, and we feel like we have a great partnership.